Morning traders. Today is the 13th of August 2021. My name is Shegun and I train traders how to trade in harmony with the market. The pair that I'm looking at this morning is the Australian dollar US dollar. This pair we had bias to the upside, but something that I really want to talk about is because today is Friday, Aussie is one of the pairs that we trade today. And yesterday we saw price coming to the 76.4 after this wave one, okay, and that's a big wave one that we've drawn out. But something interesting happened. This year is a failure because price came below the 7340, which is a structural point from the daily chart. Okay, so that takes me to the intraday because today is Friday. We want to see if we can if I can analyze this trade from this time frame. That's the 7340. This year is a failure. Price coming below the Tokyo session and the market side. That is a failure trade. And unless price come back and regain this high 7347 this morning, we expect further slide in the Australia dollar US dollar. Having said that, I took a short here this morning because we were thinking of buying this yesterday because of the stall that we saw at the 7340, which was a structural point. But as you can see, after making the 7348, price has failed to stay above that price point. This was a spike at the open 7349, went above it with just one pip, and they couldn't close above it. And the second attempt failed. That's 7347. So further confirmation will be a break below the one daily low. This one here, which is the 7332. If price managed to break below 7332, we should expect further flight. Where should we be expecting for a target? So let's use this chart. I'll delete this Fibonacci. And what I'm gonna do is, this is the current high that we're using. This one has fulfilled its role, A, B, C, D, and this is the next one. Okay, and I'm not gonna count the wave yet on this one. And this is what we've got. Look at that. 7349, 50% is 7350. So we will say that 50% has been touched, and the expectation is this. This is the first target here, which is the 23% of that move, 7323. If we manage to break there, the next level we should be looking at is the 6180 in the Aussie. And that will be a break of this wave one. And that sometimes is possible because this year you can call this a weak buy because it's wave one. You can call it a weak buy, and sometimes the possibility is price will come below the weak buy, take out the stop losses that are here before they finally reverse the position. So this will not be a quick thing in terms of if price gets below here. We're not expecting it to just zoom back up again. It will take its time, and if we manage to get to the 61.8, which is the second target this morning during London session, then we probably would have a bounce at the New York session. Well, having said that, we really want to take the trades off those key levels, okay? And the next structural point is at 72.89. So I'll be cautious taking trades from this zone here, okay? Where we have this one, as you can see, is creating a confluence with the strong line, the green strong line. We call this strong line because it's minus 110. All right, and that's basically what we've got. This area is more interesting to me. Why? Because we have the 7289, which is a structural point. Okay, We are breaking below one structure. The idea is price will go to the next structure. So this will be more of a stronger target in the Aussie for me this today, which is Friday. So that's basically my analysis on the Aussie this morning. We are looking at other pairs and quickly scan through. The dollar yen has been in a sideways. We're expecting this to continue further. We saw this yesterday, close day when price came above the 4 daily high. So the New Zealand is gonna behave the same as Aussie, and the pound broke down yesterday below here, and I was actually suggesting that that is a good thing that happened here, this break, because any this now creates a mini structural point, the 38.17 and the 38.18. Price coming back above those area will give us um a nice angle basically for price to go back to the upside, or at least to retest all this congestion zone which we find here. Okay, so that's my analysis this morning, the 13th of August 2021. My name is Shagun again, and have a blessed trading day.